This is 21st Century Learning. The location that I get to practice my 21st century learning skills is our Career Center. Come on in. Let's take a look. Show you what we do. One aspect that we're able to work with is student-centered instruction. The way we teach hands-on provides opportunity for multiple learning styles for our students to learn. And when students can share those styles with their instructors, there's a shared responsibility then between the teacher and student to take that responsibility over their learning. When I'm in my coaching, I would like to improve my shift of teacher focus so that we take care of student-centered instruction. As we prepare today's students for tomorrow's careers, I want to make sure that our teachers can meet the needs of all 6 district students that we have. They are our most important asset, and we need to make sure that we're taking care of them and their learning styles. At our center, we're also able to introduce ideas in context. This is definitely one of our strengths. I would like to improve my coaching so that I can help teachers apply context to their K-12 regular classroom learning. And one way we can do that is possibly teacher externships. So maybe high school teachers or middle school teachers can apply context to their lessons. What we do as a strength at our Career Center, we can learn in the appropriate setting. We have here as culinary arts, students are preparing some fruity ice cream by cutting up the fruit, and they're in a kitchen. They can learn in this setting and apply those skills in a real world situation, whether it be in this kitchen, other kitchens, work-based learning, or co-ops. Definitely one of the strengths of our Career Center, especially for me when I get to sample some ice cream. Also, there's a lot of problem solving that we have, whether it's diagnostic or whether we have some issues to tackle. Problem solving as a practice is something that we apply at our school. Real world examples and problems that we can solve. One thing that I would like to improve on with that is to develop critical thinking skills in our students. It's not always a strength, and how we can apply our problem solving to our external stakeholders. One group of students was able to apply their problem solving skills when all of a sudden a truck left one of our lifts and backed into a garage door. As they were diagnosing, we figured out the group needed to work with the brakes, figure out what was wrong with the brake line, and apply these problem-solving skills that our students need for 21st century careers. And that's one of the strengths I believe that we have at our Career Center, and one of the things that we need to continue to work on to make sure that is our strength. Collaboration is key as well. When we do apply our problem-solving skills, working together with others and utilizing the knowledge of the group is one of the things that we try to build on. And by using group knowledge and group dynamics, we're able to build some soft skills as far as working together and accepting of other people's opinions. And that's one thing, another that we show as a strength at our center. In my own practice, I'm trying to produce some teacher teams so that we can collaborate more, not have silos of programs at our center, but we can have groups that work together, as well as project-based learning. Some of our students' programs work with other students to show them the different things that they do in their programs. And we also have students that volunteer their time or share with others, like at Grandparents' Day or going to clinicals. And so all that ties into something that I mentioned in an earlier blog post, our TPAC, where our teachers have plenty of content knowledge and are building their pedagogical knowledge. But as we progress into the 21st century, there's a huge undertaking to make sure that our technical knowledge is up to speed as well. And that's one of my tasks. And it's a daunting task, but it's something that I like to take on. But it's hard work, and I'll come back and try it every day we get that chance.